Adding React.js to HTML is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can add React.js to HTML, CSS. So let me tell you one thing, what is React.js? React.js is a tool for the JavaScript or a framework that lets you build the web applications. The HTML type or the CSS type in React.js is a bit different from the normal HTML, CSS. So how you guys can actually embed each in it. So for that, you just have to open up a new website and you have to type in HTML to React. What it will do is it will, as you guys can see, you just have to go to this website, which is reactjs.net. And here you guys need to paste your HTML, CSS code, and it will generate the code in React.js. But if you want to do the opposite thing, you just need to paste your React.js or React.jsx code here, and it will convert it into HTML. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can convert your JavaScript code into HTML. So hope you guys find this video helpful.